Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. In this video, I'm gonna play 3 disturbing commercials. In this first clip, we see a sous chef excited about getting married and hoping she'll be the main chef. But one fatal mistake changes it all. Let's take a look.
I'm the sous chef here. With any luck, I should be head chef by next year. I've got this amazing fiancé, who I won't be marrying this weekend, because I'm about to be in a terrible accident. But really, I should have cleaned up the grease over there, and they should never put the deep fryer so close.
Next, we see an employee that works in some sort of factory and crushes his fellow employee. Let's take a look. In this last clip, we've got a Japanese tire commercial. If you don't like jump scares, click away. If not, let's take a look. If you enjoyed these videos and you want to see more, like and subscribe and turn the bell notifications on so you won't miss an upload. Take care.